Hi, Tony here, owner of Website Advantage. Today I'm going to be talking about one of the features provided by our TagRocket app, dynamic remarketing ads for products. This is an advertising method that you can use on Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Yahoo and Pinterest. It's a bit of a mouthful, so let's break it down. Google Shopping is a good example of product ads. Product ads are shown in search results when a product is relevant to the user's query. Each ad focuses on one product, where the information is provided by a product feed from your store. Remarketing allows you to show ads to users who have visited your site and is powered by the basic tags provided by each channel. This is an example on how it works with Facebook. The tag sends an event message to Facebook every time a user views a page. Facebook uses this event to add the user to an audience, which contains the users that have visited your store. You can then promote your business to the users in that audience with handmade ads. It could be a good way to show previous visitors and promotions you have during the holiday season. Dynamic remarketing takes this to a whole new level. With dynamic remarketing, the tag sends events to the ad platforms as users interact with the products on the site. In this scenario, the user looks at a category page, clicks on one of the products, and adds it to their cart. The events tell Facebook which products the users interact with and how. This enables Facebook to create a profile for each user and the products that they interacted with. And from that, it dynamically creates ads that are highly customized for each user. So what's the benefit? Dynamic remarketing campaigns tend to have a high ROAS due to the use of highly focused and relevant ads. Because the ads are automatically generated, they are easy to maintain. And machine learning is used to further improve performance. It helps deciding which ads to show and can also control smart bidding systems that focus your spend on what actually works. Put it all together and you have a highly performing but simple to maintain advertising campaign. With dynamic remarketing, the hard bit is to set up the initial technical stuff. Once done, it runs on its own. You need to set up a product feed for each channel so that they know what products you have. There are many product feed providers with varying features and price levels. Some feeds sometimes need modifying so that they can support dynamic remarketing. Our preferred option is Data Feed Watch, as it works with our app with the default settings. Contact us to get an extended 45-day trial with Data Feed Watch. You then need to develop all the code to send the right events to all the channels. This is where we come in. With TagRocket, just enter the right settings, then publish. And within a few seconds, the code will be running on your site. So why TagRocket? As mentioned, no coding is required, a big advantage for most of our customers. We support dynamic remarketing on all the main channels: Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Pinterest, and Yahoo. The app's framework makes it possible for us to gather and send highly detailed events to all these channels. And your subscription gives you access to all our updates. Over 100 new features have been added since the first version a year ago. And today we're talking about just one of the features it supports. Take a look at the app to see what else it does. It also comes with a 30-day free trial and support to help you set things up. If you also take advantage of the 45-day trial for Data Feed Watch, we will extend the app's trial to match it, giving you plenty of time to see how well it works. So check out TagRocket in the App Store today and reach out with any questions. Thanks.